Alright, so here's a quick demo of my ECE497 project. Basically what I wanted to do was create something on the beaglebone that allowed me to monitor a CANbus and display it on a graph on a web page. So first what I have here is a little demo board that I made for Rose GPE that generates CAN. So CAN is just a differential signal protocol that I have coming out of this cable here. It then goes straight into the beaglebone blue into the CAN port. And the nice thing about the beaglebone blue is if you look on the bottom, there is a CAN transceiver chip already built onto the board so that we don't have to use any external hardware. Everything else you see on this breadboard is not needed for this project. Then on the software side, I have a server written in Node running that serves up a web page. So if we refresh the browser here, we're going to see that there is data coming from that PIC chip that's located on the other board. In this case, it is just a simple counter. The way CAN works is that there are multiple bytes within each CAN message. And in this case, byte 0 is just a simple counter that wraps around at 255 back to 0. So we're going to see it flip here in a second. Yep, along the bottom here, I have each different bit within that byte being indicated, just for indication. And if we want to view a different byte within that CAN frame, we can just use this box up here. So now we're going to be looking at byte 1, which just has a single bit being used, and that corresponds to this push button on the board right here. So it is active low. So when I go and I press the board, or button, sorry, we can see that it toggles and shows up on both the graph, the waveform on there, as well as that LED indicator at the bottom right of the screen, showing that bit 1 is being flipped within byte 1. Thank you.